what is this game? Boat ride into a better life. Does anyone know what this is? Such a fun game. You boat ride into a better life. Looks pretty simple. Chat, do we need a tutorial? Brother, we're boat riding into a better life. I'm gonna be fine. Oh, I gotta use my mouse? Okay. We got this, chat. Dude, I know how to kayak, chat. Top 10. How do I turn? Hello? Oh, dude, I should have. Zoom out. Longer strokes move faster. Okay. How do we turn? Wait, I should have read the tutorial. Oh, you can click. Ah, I got it. I got a left click. Got it. Dude, I'm chilling, chat. Okay, let's boat ride into a better life. So this is like an obby? Wait! Oh, I nearly fell. Okay, we're good. Bro, I'm so bad at kite. Come on. Oh, okay, there's music in the game. Dude, I don't need a tutorial. We're good. Dude, this is... I thought we're not playing rage games. God damn it. Chat, I've always hated kayaking, bro. I'm so bad at kayaking. Okay. I gotta just be at one with the kayak. Get up. Why is there a levels thing here? Okay, this is the prequel. To be continued. Now do it fast. Swipe across the front for sharp turns. Oh, dude, I should be reading the floor, man. Okay, I got this. So swipe across the front. So if I do this, bang, 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 bang. Wait, is this just the tutorial, chat? It's been continued for like 4 years. Okay, checkpoint reached. Okay. Yes. Okay, we've done the tutorial. Dude, why am I so bad at this? Do you guys have any... Wait. Dude, how can I not go straight? Ah! Okay, we got this. Top 10 Australian kayakers. That will be the title of the video. Maybe I should go into a public... Oh, let's go into a public. You know what? I think we need a different boat. Wait, I need a boat for 2. Hop in, AdsTV. Okay. We got this. Hit him. Wait, no. Don't let this e-dating couple through. Dude, do not let this e-daters play. AdsTV, log in. Dude, these guys are on a date. Stop him. No, bro. Okay, look. Get him. Do not let these e-daters date, dude. No dating allowed on Roblox, buddy. Push him off. Oh my God. I love this game. Dude, they're just trying to e-date into a better life and we're just killing them. Gentlemen, every button-down viewer watching this stream, JJYK. Oh, she left. Bro, she left him. She logged out. This iPad kid thought he got his first Roblox girlfriend. Sorry, buddy. Okay, spawn. All right, get in, gentlemen. All right, no trolling. No trolling, lock in. Like, actually try. Okay, turn, right, go. Good. Okay, nice. All right. Okay, chat, we got this. I trusted my chat. Okay, music on. Chat, we're doing good. Okay, go back a bit. You're gonna actually get yeeted now, bro. We're not gonna... Oh, okay, this is gonna be sick. Go! Huge! Get to the checkpoint. Come on, get to the checkpoint, please! Okay. All right, you know what? I'm getting carried too hard. Let me do this solo. Help! AdsTV! I'm dead. Okay, solo journey. I got this. Guys! What are you doing? Please. Don't you dare. You can just fling me like that? Don't, man. Dude. Okay. Dude, this guy is swimming for me like he's an Olympic swimmer. I just want to boat ride into a better life, okay? Fling control to the winning area. Imagine. Okay. Let's lock in. Longer strokes move faster. Okay, I'm in here. Wait, why is this actually fun, bro? We're doing it as a community. Don't. Stop! Oh. What? How did we live? What? Dude, I was just blessed by the kayak gods just then. Crazy clutch. All right, let me go this way. I get an actual guardian angel, bro. #1 kayaker Australia, actually. Okay, let's keep progressing. I guess we've got to find the end of this game, right? Bam. Dude, wait. Oh, you can skip? Oh, that's sick. That's sick nasty. Oh. How much is this? If this is cheap, we're buying it, dude. Say less. I have bought the power ore. Say less, dude. Say less. Let me just see what it does. How powerful is the power ore? Oh, it's power. It's actually very powerful, but it's not too crazy. Okay. Oh, wait. God damn it. Okay. 11-year-old me beat this. Okay, you know what? I just wanted to see the power. We'll go back to the normal ore. Okay. I'm doing this with skips. Music back on. Dude, are you okay, man? What happened to your boat? Okay. If an 11-year-old, my 11-year-old viewer can do... Fuck. Dude, what are you doing? What's that? Hello? Okay. Never give up. What did you learn, chat? Never give up. Never give up. It's never over. Motivational. Don't you dare, you rat. You hamster rat. Don't. Stop. Oh. Wait. Trust in the process. Oh, no way. I'm him. I'm actually him. Dude. I'm actually him. Brother, what is happening? All right, let's do this speed boost. We got this. Lock in. Icy area. Okay. Oh, no. Wait, if I power ore? Yes. Bro, I'm going crazy. Stop. Oh, God. I'm stuck under here. Okay, power ore this out. No! Okay, lock in. Nice. Dude, this is impossible. My brain is breaking right now. Okay, let's try this thing. Jet ski. Take my money, dude. Is this just OP? Dude, I can... I could literally just drive. That. Fine, I won't pay to win. I won't pay to win. No pay to win. No pay to win. No pay to win. Hamster Gaming, get out of my way. Do you have your joins on? I think I do. Wait, chat, do I have my joins on? Hamster, don't get in my way. Okay, we got to stop this. Okay. Nice. Actually, I don't mind this spot here. This spot's not terrible. Yes. Nice. No, please. Wait. Wait. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. Plate flip juice. No pay to win. Dude, get out of my way. Dude, you're joking. This bacon head, you're pissing me off, dude. With the one-piece hat, don't you dare. Do not. Dude. I'm beating this. Dude. You're not fine. That's good for me. No, this is good. This is good. You want to be upside down. It's easier to control. Brother, I will power ore. No, I'm not gonna beat this game, bro. Chat, actually, let me teach you something about this game. The trick to this game, it's a pay. What are you doing, man? Yeah, get out of my way. Dude, this guy's clip farming. This guy's actually clip farming. What I was saying is the trick to this game is patience. Slow and steady wins the race. We're backwards, it's fine. We can work with it. We can work with what we got here. Okay, turn. Dude, please get out of my way. Please get out of my way. Please get out of my way. Okay. Straighten this up. Dude, there's someone upside down here. No? We're good. Okay, we turn. Wait, I'm actually one with the kayak now. Wait! I'm cooking! Slow. Please stop. Don't go over that hump. Nice. Okay. We'll do this backwards. That's fine. The checkpoint's right there. We can't sell. Chat, we're gonna boat ride into a better life. We are. Don't stop, you. Never give up. Just wait. We're right there. The checkpoint's right there. Slow. How do I turn? Oh, so smart. Yes. So smart. What's this? Oh, it's like an elevator. Is it? Okay. Okay, we got this. All right, power ore to the ready. One power swing. Push. Stop. Very nice, gentlemen. Push. Stop. Okay, good. Come on. Get there. Okay, W's in the chat. Stop pushing me, man. I'm beating this game. Wait, why am I addicted to... Dude, I started this game... Later at TV. Back to the basement, buddy. Okay. Oh, no! Please, but wait, flip, juice. Power ore. Okay, we're good. We're good here. We just gotta stay locked in. Okay, this is a safe. We like this safe spot. Nice. To the left. Okay. Power ore. Dude. Water. Bloody hell, mate. Bundon in the water. with his kayak and his parrot and his bloody boat flipping juice, mate. All right. Come on. Okay, we're getting close. Yes. It's working. Whatever's happening, it's working. Why was I hit the boat flipping juice here? Checkpoint? Oh my God. Hey. What is this? This is a bunch of fish. All right. Let's go. Come on, the fishies. Dude, they don't make games like this anymore on Roblox, do they, chat? Oh, no. That's okay. Checkpoint, it's fine. All right. You're just here to push me, aren't you? Dude, you know what? I'm power oaring. Yeah, later, kid. Boat flip? Far. Don't you dare. Dude, this frog. Power oar. This is why we bought the power oar, gentlemen. You know what? Yeah! Yeah, suck that! Yeah, suck that! Oh my God! W's in the chat. That's what you get? You're not trolling me! That's a collateral kill as well. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Don't you. Look at them. Look at them. Nah, get out of my way. Suck what? Suck my kayak's nose, bro. No! I'm actually going to go all in. Gamer mode fully activated. Don't, as if he don't. Thank you. Oh, little tap technique. Little tap. Tap, 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 tap. Tap. Oh! Great movement. Thank you, ATV. Tap, tap, tap. This is easy for me. Yeah. Stop. Oh, no. We have to go backwards here. We have to go backwards here. Please don't fall off. ATV! Power! ATV! Okay, little. Power! Yes! What's here? Where's the checkpoint? Uh-oh. Oh, no. Oh, no! Wait! No! Wait! No! No! What just happened, bro? What just happened? You know what? Fine. I'll do it with you on the boat. I'll do it with you on the boat. Don't worry, brother. Okay. Let him drown. Let him drown and suffer, ATV. Good night. Lock in. You're dead, kid. It's like the let him eat cake, let him drown. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Now is the epic music time. Listen. We're on. Okay, lock in. Easy. Oh, it's the freaking frog. Get out of here. I've just got to overcome the frog and we're good. Okay. We're good, we're good, we're good. W overcoming. Chat, trust me, I'm used to adversity. They call me adversity done. Oh, shoot. We have to be that another time. We will never find a better life.